Hi, good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel for Zone. Today I'm going to teach you how to use conditional formatting to highlight bottom 10 items. So let's look at our example here. If you are going to find the lowest price, the bottom 10 lower price, you can select column C and go to Home tab, go to conditional formatting, select the second one, top or bottom rules, and then go to bottom 10 items. Click on it and you can see Excel is actually highlighting the lowest 10 items with the lowest price. So same also, you can choose any color that you like, and you can go here and select the items that numbers of items that you want to highlight. For example, I want 5 lowest price, so I can just reduce it to 5. Okay, you can highlight the lowest 5 items with lower price. So once you're okay, you just click OK. And thank you. That is all from me. Please like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.